In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on the active status on Facebook. So if you want your friends to know whenever you are online, here's how you can easily toggle that settings on. So first of all, the online settings are usually for the messenger. So we click on the messenger icon right here and we click on these three dots and it says active status on here. So if it is set to off like this, let me just show you again. If it shows off like this, you just click on this and toggle this to the on position. Active status on for some, off for some. You can customize that settings as well. So if you want to appear offline for some people and online for some people, you can edit that list and add your specific people. And that is how you do it. Click on save after that. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.